Hi, I'm Paul. Welcome to my messy workshop. It's October, and every October my friend Russ Claridy over at Simply Wooden Creations puts on the Scroll Saw Challenge. Of all the contests Russ puts on, I think this is my favorite. This year it's an open category. You can scroll whatever you want. The only restriction is it has to be made on a scroll saw. So I think I'm going to go to the internet, download a pattern, dig through my supply of lumber and see if I can find a piece of Baltic birch and get started. Stick around and you can watch the video, and at the end you'll see my winning project. Well, I hope what is a winning project. Well, here's my entry into Russ's scroll saw contest. I've got it mounted to a piece of 1/4-inch Baltic birch. I've just started to drill holes in it. As you can see, it's a mother owl and a couple chicks. So I'm going to finish drilling holes in it. Then I'll go to work on the scroll saw, and I'll be sure and show you how the progress is going. Here we go. And a broken blade right off the bat. New blade, we'll try it again. Well, all the areas are cut out where I had my entrance holes drilled. So it's time to drill some more holes. This is a lot of fine work because some of the areas that are left are quite small. So I'm going to drill some more holes around here, and I'll just gradually work my way to the outside. Making some real progress here. Still got a lot of cutting to do. We've got the next bunch of holes drilled here. And then we're going to finally start getting into some bigger areas. There's a lot of interior cuts in this pattern, but it's coming right along. The bottom part is done, and all I have is this little bit up here to do. Well, after 213 interior cuts, I finally completed my project for the 2019 Scroll Saw Challenge. Here it is. This is an Alex Fox pattern. I bought it from him off of his Etsy store. Like I said, there's 213 cuts in it. The only thing that I'm going to do to it is I'm going to add a frame around it, and I'll include that picture at the end of this video so you can see what it looks like with the frame on it. But there's my entry, and good luck to all the people that enter.